face, superhero vibes, yo. Put your lights up if you wanna go. Close your eyes now and chase the sun. We gotta move, follow the tempo. Gotta take it ice, gotta let it go. There's 100 different ways how to spend up all your day. We're gonna make waves out of the new day. We're gonna make waves.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox Galaxy A33 5G phone. So it's a blur-free camera, 48 megapixels, and it has a AMOLED display with 90 Hz. It's a water and dust resistant. It has 16.21 centimeter display and 15.87 centimeter rounded corners, and it has 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel cameras, and 13 megapixel front cameras. So guys, this phone cost 33,000 rupees, but after discount I got it for 28,000 rupees. So let's unbox it. So we have the frame. Let's keep this aside. So here's the phone. Just so it has 4 cameras. So guys, they only gave this box and nothing else. So this is the pin. Let's keep that aside. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got a C-type charger, but although they did not give us adapter, they gave us C-type charger and manual. So let's go ahead and turn on this phone. So you can look at the display. It's very fast and responsive. They are given as a 90 Hz refresh rate, so it's very smooth. You can see. So guys, now let's check its display quality. guys, now let's check its speaker quality. I'll play a song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So you heard the video. It has good quality sound, but it cannot give us surround music because it has only one speaker. So guys, now let's talk about the camera. So this selfie camera is a 30 megapixel. Okay. So you can see this is a main sensor camera. It is 48 megapixel, and this is a ultra wide. This is a 8 megapixel, and this is a depth sensor. This is 5 megapixel, and this is a macro sensor, and this is a 2 megapixel. So guys, now I'll show you some photos and videos taken by this phone. So guys, now let's talk about its build quality. So you can see it has a very good build quality. It has a matte finish, so it looks very good. This is good for 28,000 rupees, but I'm not satisfied. As for this amount, they did not even give us a pinhole camera. They only gave us a normal drop camera. And another complaint is that the chin at the bottom is very thick. In other companies, it is not this big. So guys, if you think a video is useful, please like, share and subscribe.